In this module, we'll speak about big-ticket clients and why do we target them. First, I'd like to explain a little about big-ticket. Big-ticket clients are those who are willing to pay you more for your time. In other words, they're not just your average customers. They're willing to pay double, triple, or even 50 times more than what you would earn from average customers at the same amount of time invested. It's a great time saver. In other words, it protects your time. Imagine you only have to coach or service just one big-ticket client to earn as much as coaching 100 or even 1,000 separate low-ticket clients. Which is more efficient for you? By now, I hope that you realize that one big thing about big-ticket is leverage. Let me ask you a question. Which one's easier? Making one $1,000 sale or 10 $100 sales? I guess you already know the answer, right? So does big-ticket. Each of us only has 24 hours a day, no more, no less. Thus, we must be vigilant with how we make use of our time. Our goal is to make the most profit possible with the least amount of time. Also, think about the freedom you have in your personal life if you only target big-ticket clients. Just imagine that after this program, you can earn more and at the same time be able to travel around the world, spend time with your loved ones, and enjoy what this beautiful life has to offer, which you never knew possible. How would it feel like? Getting excited already? I bet you do. Besides, by targeting big ticket, you only need to talk to prospects that can afford your services instead of entertaining everyone. How do you pull that off? The answer is by qualifying the prospects you come in contact with. Not just simply qualifying, but qualifying hard. That's the secret of how you close most of your deals. Qualify hard, close easy. So how do you qualify them? First, know who you want to work with crystal clear. These are some example questions you can ask yourself. Are they the kind of people you're willing to work with? Are they determined to follow through your coaching advice? Are they financially qualified to purchase your products or services? Do they have the burning desire to achieve their goals? When you know who you want to work with, now you can qualify them in your own webinar or sales page. Here are some examples of qualifying steps that can be used. On the webinar or sales page, state the price. This will qualify those who are financially prepared for your products or services. On your webinar slides, posts, or sites, state who this is not for. This will allow your audience to ask themselves if they are qualified for it. Reveal who your ideal client is and who you want to work with, which is another good way for them to qualify themselves. Request for a deposit. That's a fantastic way to qualify clients. Why? Because the only ones determined enough will pay for a deposit. So you don't have to waste time on the phone or emails replying to those who didn't pay the deposit. A great time saver and a qualifying tool. Application form with great questions. Another great way to qualify your potential prospects, as you can read through their answers, and if they're determined, you can notice them in your application form easily through their answers. Sometimes we can ask more clarifying questions via email if needed for further qualifying. There are other benefits from big ticket as well. Take note that 99% of the big ticket clients definitely see you as an expert due to the amount of money they are willing to pay for your services. This explains that we not only save our time with big ticket clients, we also save ourselves from big headaches. By working with big ticket clients, you will definitely obtain more fulfillment working together. Honestly, who doesn't want to work with a feeling of fulfillment? This is what lifestyle career is all about. Since big-ticket clients are people who will most probably be heeding your long-term services, you'll also get to know and understand their needs much better. Most importantly, deep down personally, you'll also feel that you're being valued for what you're worth with the price you're charging for big-ticket clients. You'll be able to give better service and make a bigger impact without feeling you're being taken advantage of. Think of it like you're working with a best friend. Wouldn't it be much more comfortable, worthy, and fun? Concurrently, big-ticket clients value your work more than average clients. With all these benefits that addresses the why do big ticket, I sincerely hope that I managed to convince you to take action and start targeting big ticket.